What is happening, mother? How are you today? It is your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we do what we do every single day. I'm going to give you guys some bullish news. You guys are going to support the channel by giving me a like on the video and a sub if you're not already subbed, guys. I'm trying to pump this channel to 10k, okay? I'm trying to pump it to 10k, and there's 8.286 of you guys who have joined the family, who I love very dearly. So again, to all of you guys who are already part of the channel, I want to say big love you all. Alrighty guys, happy Thursday. It is Thursday. It is the 4th day of the week. Some of you guys are getting ready for the weekend. Guess what? The sentiment is like, it's back at neutral. It was extreme fear literally 48 hours ago, and Bitcoin is deciding it wants to have a pumpish slumpy time all the way up to 60k. Now, before we do start stroking our boners, guys, we are coming up to an extreme level of resistance. Okay, the median level of this channel, along with this, which was recently support, now flipped most likely into resistance. Okay, so a lot of us are going to be getting excited today. We're going to see the portfolio. We're going to see some of our altcoins recover very well, and some that I mentioned in the previous videos, okay, recovering very well. They're making us feel like, oh my god, FOMO time, right? And we're not even at the top of the channel, right? So you know, should we be getting super excited now for all of our altcoins? Well, guys, we need to just take a bit of a chill pill. Okay, now it's an ICP video, and I see some of these in the timeline. They get pretty good engagement, so help me with the engagement. You wake up tomorrow and you see ICPs at 1,000. What are you doing now? You guys already know that 1,000 is not my target, but okay, we wake up and you see ICP at 150. What are you doing? Let me know in the comments right now. Where we are now is looking eerily similar to where we were from 2017 all the way to 2020, right? We had this tightening, a breakdown, the bear market bottom of 2018 to 2019, our retest trying to get to the highs, broadening wedge, massive black swan event with the C word crash, a swift recovery, breakout, all-time high blow off top. See you later. Everyone starts to buy in here, get absolutely pooped on here. Then we had another, what, a year and a half, 2-year bear market, broke down, bear market bottom at 2022. Now we're coming back up, trying to retest the all-time highs, didn't, broadening wedge, another black swan event. Could it be the Japan stock market crash? I think there's probably a lot of things that's making everyone quite scared. Recession, all that sort of stuff. Everything's sort of building up at the moment. There's not much faith in governments at the moment. But are we in time for a swift recovery? Because you come to the weekly chart, guys, and what does that look like? Now, while I'm saying to everyone, like, chill your pants, don't get a boner too quick, guys, you have to remember, like, I've been trying to keep you guys level-headed over the past couple of weeks while everybody was in frenzy mode, while YouTubers were going into frenzy mode, into down here, oh my god, we're going lower, right? Not once have I flipped bearish yet, guys. So again, when things do turn bearish, I can look at it in a bearish perspective. But just again, like, I'm saying this to you now because all the YouTubers, all the people online on X, whatever, are going to start to flip bullish now when we are coming up to a key level of resistance. Now, if we do break through it, happy days. I'm happy for everybody. Congratulations. I will be super happy as well because I did pick up some of my top altcoins in that dip. But we have to remember, people are just super reactive. Again, another reason to be subscribed, guys. And look, just yesterday, there's no demand until 40k. It's free fall until then. All of crypto Twitter calling the bottom. We're going way lower. Is that the case? Because you look at charts like this, very similar to the one that I drew up, guys, but we had a big demand area between that like 48.5, he's put it at 49, I think, all the way up to like 50k, 52k. Okay, we've had the demand. We're now coming up to the medium. This is probably a little bit lagging, isn't it? We're going to have an upper area of supply again at the upper area of this channel, guys. So while everyone's saying there's no demand, but until 40k there is demand, guys. You can see the demand right here, right here, right here, right? We've had swift recoveries of it. To say there's no demand is very simple. Now back to our baby ICP. Who's got 10 ICP? Let me know in the comments, right? If you've got 10 ICP, I hope you've got 10 ICP. If you haven't got 10 ICP, I don't know what you're doing at this point watching ICP videos. But the number of addresses with 10 ICP or lower is now at 90,000 motherfuckers, right? So if you're one of the motherfuckers with 90,000, if you're one of the 90,000 motherfuckers, go and let me know in the comments right now, because the community is growing every single day. It is looking Beautiful. And look, are we now flipping this major trend that was bearish, bearish, bearish into a bullish support now, guys? If it is, then that is super bullish for the price of Bitcoin, because every single time we have pierced above this trend line, the first touch, we've actually broken back underneath it, gone into a multi-year bear market. You can see that in 2017 to 2018, 2020 to 2022, you've broke below it. We haven't been able to hold it as support. So again, something that we need to keep a close eye on, because if we do break underneath it, how long do you guys think we would be in a bear market for? It could be like a multi-year bear market. So again, while I do remain bullish, we have to remember that previously we actually haven't held this as support yet. A lot of you guys will trade the CME gaps. We've got a CME gap between 58k and 62k. They usually do fill. Now, once it does fill, does that mean we're going to have a rejection from this point? But only time's going to tell. However, this does coincide with the fact that I did have a resistance zone between 59k and 62k just to fill the CME gap as well, guys. Now here's a quick clip to show all of you guys how superior ICP is to blockchains like Ethereum.
On the internet computer, smart contracts are asynchronous, which means they can run in parallel, and that enables horizontal scaling, which is part of the purpose of the internet computer. On Ethereum, the user always pays for the gas. You'll create the transaction in something like MetaMask, and you'll configure the amount of gas you're going to pay for the smart contract computation that will result. On the internet computer, the smart contract always pays for its own computation. So you charge the smart contracts up with gas. It's called cycles on the internet computer, and they pay for their own computation. It's called reverse gas, and it's really important because it enables the smart contracts to stay in the background and do things like directly interact with users by creating interactive web experiences by processing HTTP. Ethereum, of course, is expensive, costs a few dollars per transaction. Internet computer, very inexpensive. Imagine taking the Ethereum cost and dividing it by something pretty big, like 1.5 million times.
Now, for all of you guys who want to max out your bags before we do break out and accumulate as much altcoins as you can, guys, this is actually a screenshot from one of the members in the members club. So number one, go and join the members club, link in the description. And Blowfin are actually rewarding you guys with a giveaway for all of you who do sign up with my link over the next week. You guys can get 10% cash back, up to $200 in futures bonuses. The first one is super easy to get a $20 futures bonus, and you can get anywhere between AirPods and a Rolex valued at 10k. Go and use the link. Quick shield. Let's get back to it. Now, guys, ICP is at $7.41 today, doing pretty good. It looks like we're coming back up to the $7.87 level that we did say is going to be a major resistance. If we do break that, guys, then we're going to be looking at the $8.43 and the near $9 breakout target to be our next big level of resistance, guys. But I am keeping a close eye on this trend line. Remember, trend lines work until they don't. If we do start to break that, then I'm going to be looking at lower levels at around that $6 again. I've now recovered 17% from that 30% dump that we did have when Bitcoin did hit 49k. It actually was 20% earlier today, so that's looking pretty good. And it does look like the total free altcoin market cap does have a little bit of a way to go up before it does find its next resistance. And to be exact, it looks like we've got about a 4% move for the total free altcoin market cap before it does find its next level of resistance, guys. And if we do find resistance, we can expect altcoins to print lower prices, but hopefully we would be getting support at around this yellow line or this white line. That's what I'm keeping my eyes on in the bearish scenario. But for now, it is looking good. The bounce is looking good. We just need to stay vigilant and stay patient and not go all in and get too ahead of ourselves, guys. That's it. If you made it this far, please be sure to smash that like button and go and support the channel by dropping me a sub. Let me know what you'd do if ICP was at $150 today. And guys, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace.